Hello guys, this is Vartika from MedShots Mnemonics. So today Gogaji had a doubt and he asked why does HP16 increases in HPV infection. So now come on and let's clear his doubt. First of all, you must have studied there's a G1, S, G2 and M phase in a cell cycle, right? Now for cell to progress from G1 to S phase, it needs something. What? It needs E2F. Okay, and this E2F will come when the retinoblastoma gene gets phosphorylated. Now understand this like this, that retinoblastoma has only one room. Okay, if phosphorus comes into that room, then E2F has to leave. So normally his work is to a complete retinoblastoma has in his room E2F. If phosphorus come, E2F has to leave. Okay, so when phosphorus is come, when phosphorylation of the retinoblastoma happens, E2F leaves and that E2F will help in cell cycle proliferation. Okay, now I will zoom out a little and I will get you know that who will do this phosphorylation of retinoblastoma. So there are CDK4 and 6 which help in the phosphorylation of retinoblastoma gene. And zoom out a little more, who will inhibit this CDK4 and 6? It is P16. You have studied about two inhibitors in cell cycle, INK4-ARF family and CYP-KIP family. In INK4-ARF family, we have P16 and P14. So P16 work is to inhibit cell cycle. How will it inhibit cell cycle? By keeping that E2F in the RB gene only and not letting the phosphorylation of retinoblastoma gene. So that is why they are inhibiting the P6, the that CDK4 and 6, which is actually phosphorylating the retinoblastoma gene. Now, in HPV infection, what happens is HPV genome has E6 and E7. E7 work is to inhibit retinoblastoma gene, and our body inhibiting means uh, letting E2F go. Okay, that is a inhibition for retinoblastoma gene. So our body senses the loss of retinoblastoma gene and as a compensation increases the amount of P16. Now P16 will inhibit CDK4 and 5, CDK4 and 6, and CDK4 and 6 will inhibit the phosphorylation of retinoblastoma gene, and that's how the retinoblastoma gene value will increase. Okay, so that's how it is. And for more such videos, subscribe and like to my channel. Bye bye.